Good morning, my dear respected students, and welcome you all after holidays. And I think so there is a smile on your faces as well that you have coming in with refreshed mind and you are supposed to focus on your studies now. I think so. Okay, and I'm just begin with the content, my dear students. And previously, I think so. The class teacher is already shared. Manaji, I think so. My voice is perfect here. And in case you feel any kind of low volume, then kindly check internet connection at your end. I think so. Everything is fine here. Everything is fine here. I think so. Thank you very much. Thank you, and God bless you. Okay, so what we can do here, kindly concentrate, my dear respected students. First of all, I'm just going to begin with the content by displaying that the syllabus. I'm just going to display the syllabus first of all. So kindly concentrate here. It says that now we are talking about a periodic test 2 syllabus, which we can also to be called as a half yearly. Half yearly हम उसको बोलते हैं. Now what it comes? What happened here? Kindly concentrate. It says that this is to be considered as a chapter number 2, this is to be considered as a chapter number 3, and this is to be considered as a chapter number 9, that is a multimedia. And very important thing here, which is displaying on the bottom of that screen, that is a distribution of marks. But it's my humble request, for the time being, the marks distribution will be written 30, practical 20, and total will be 50. But because the time is very uncertain, so in case any change is required here or any change is needed, depending upon the situation, then what we can do, we just intimate you regarding the same if any change is required. So if everything is fine, kindly type yes in a chat box. Is everything is fine? Akshara is saying yes, sir. You are audible. Thank you, thank you very much. And if everything is fine, kindly type okay. Always fine, sir. Very good, great. Thank you very much. Thank you, and God bless you. I'm just begin with the content here, and hope all having computer books with them. Hope all having computer books with them. And my dear respected students, we are just begin with a chapter number 2 here, and name of the chapter is working with objects in MS Word. Can anyone please type in a chat box that what is the full form of MS? What is the full form of MS? Very good, very good, very good. Areva, sir, I don't know. Areva. Many students are start typing that MS stands for a Microsoft. MS stands for Microsoft. Very good. Perfect. Great. Okay. Now I'm just begin with the next slide here, and I'm just going to display the content of that slide. So dear students, today we are begin with the concept of text box, which is there on page number 24 on your books. And I assume that you all having books with you. Otherwise, if somebody don't having books with them, no issues with them, they are supposed to concentrate on the screen as well. So this is the icon of inserting a text box. सब कुछ होगा अभी, बेफिक्र रहिए, आप चिंता मत करिए. First important thing when we talk about a text box, a text is an object, or a text box is an object where text can be inserted. जहां पे हम क्या करते हैं, we are supposed to insert a text. Very good. Now what we can do next, it is useful for drawing attention. किसी की attention लाने के लिए, किसी की attention लेने के लिए to a specific section of the page. If, for example, the content is supposed to be displayed here, but I think so, the attractive part till now is where it begins. It writes text box with a red base and a white text. What is this? This is basically a text box. This is basically a text box. So you are saying, sir, please just tell me with the help of a practical demonstration as well. So no issues with that. I'm not saying that I'm not going to discuss with practical concept. I'm just going to discuss it, but kindly concentrate for the time being. It says kindly concentrate. It says next thing is, which is practical one, that how we can insert a text box. The what is the way out and what will be the steps for inserting a text box. So what we can do. So first of all, we can click on a insert tab. Okay. After that, we can searching for a text group. Okay. And now we are just going to move towards a text box option, which is available. Okay. Right now, what we can do, we just moving towards a MS Word for a practical demonstration. So can you please type in a chat box one by one where we have to click, because this looks that you are concentrating or not. First of all, where we have to click for inserting a text box? Anybody is going to type in a chat box? Very good, very good. It begins from I think so. Very good, very good, very good. Very good. We are supposed to click here. Very good. We are supposed to click here on insert option. Very good. We are just going to click on the insert. After that, what we can do here, we are just looking forward for a text group here, dear students. And now we can just searching for an option which is to be called as a text box. Ab ye dekhiye, I'm just going to click on that particular small little arrow which is appearing on the screen. And these are the different styles of text boxes. मेरे बच्चों जरा please ध्यान से देख लेना. These are the different kind of styles for inserting a text box. Any of the text box you are supposed to insert. So what we can do, I'm just going to click here on a simple text box. First of all, I'm just going to click here and I'm just going to drag it towards the left side of the screen. So what we can do, the text is already there. I'm not going to type anything. So this is the way that how we can insert the text box in our MS Word document. So can you please type again? First of all, I'm just asking question in a chat box. Click on dash menu. Give me answers in a chat box. Click on dash menu. Very good. अरे वाह, अरे वाह, अरे वाह, अरे वाह. ये इंसर्ट के स्पेलिंग नहीं गलत लिखने पर, इंटरेस्ट नहीं लिखना, INTREST, insert nahi. First of all, you have to click on, very good, you have to click on, अरे वाह, Riddhi, Pranay, Mannat, very good, insert option. Okay, now just type the name of the group which is required. It begins from T, I think so. Name of the group which is being required here. अरे वाह, text group, क्या बात है, क्या बात है. This is a text group, and the last option we have to click on, that is to be considered as a text box. Okay, I just again click on a text box and I'm just going to open one of the attractive text box here, because this is selected, so we have to deselect it first. And now again we have to click here, and this is the particular way out that we are supposed to drag it towards the downside and look for searching for a particular attractive kind of text box, and then we are supposed to insert that particular text box. I think so. Now the new kind of text box is supposed to be appearing on the screen. Very good, very good, very good. This is the way that how we can insert a text box, how we can insert a text box. Now kindly concentrate. I'm just deleting this one. जो लास्ट वाला अभी हमने किया था ना, I'm just going to delete this one. अब जरा प्लीज मुझे एक बार पहले आगे बढ़ने से पहले यस नो में आंसर कर दीजिए कि यहां तक अभी समझ आया कि नहीं आया. प्लीज काइंडली टेल मी इन अ चैट बॉक्स, टाइप इन अ चैट बॉक्स yes or no. Or even if you have any kind of suggestions, sir, that you can do in such a way. So I am agree with that. No issues with that. Yes. All are saying yes. No problem with that. Thank you very much. Sir, I think yes. Okay, great. Now the next thing, I'm just again switching to a PPT section here. It says moving a text box. Now very important thing here. It's saying that how we can move a text box. Otherwise, I just show that particular thing, that how we can move. So what we can do here, we just shifting within the document. We are shifting within the document. Okay, how we can do that? How we can move a text box? Kindly concentrate, please. I'm just going to click on that particular text box here. Now it's my humble request, kindly concentrate on the white pointer and in front of that white pointer, four-sided arrow is being reflected. Four-side arrow is being reflected. And on page number 25, it says that the name of that arrow is a cross with arrows. Agar aapke paas book hai, if you have a book with you, then you are supposed to underline that. The name of that particular is cross with arrows. And what I am going to do, hold down the left button and we can simply start dragging where we want to drag it within the document. Automatically this is supposed to be dragged or moved from one place to another. मेरे बच्चों को मुझे लगता है कि hopefully ये easy था और ये समझ आ गया होगा. Very good. Now concentrate on the next thing. रीसाइजिंग. एक बार यार मुझे रीसाइजिंग का मतलब कोई चैट बॉक्स में टाइप करके बताएगा. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ रीसाइजिंग? री दोबारा करना, साइजिंग, रीसाइजिंग. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. रीसाइजिंग, रीसाइजिंग. साइज इंक्रीज एंड डिक्रीज. अरे वाह क्या बात है यार, ये तो बहुत अच्छे अच्छे लोग बैठे हैं यहाँ पे. चेंजिंग द साइज. someone is writing, sorry sir, I don't know. Again size, okay, to size to be changed. अरे वाह क्या बात है यार, ये तो सब लोग इंटेलिजेंट है, मेरे ऐसा कोई भी नहीं है यहाँ पे. इसका मतलब वेरी गुड, ग्रेट. Adjusting the size of text box as per requirement. We are just going to change that particular text box. अब प्लीज यहाँ देखना, मूविंग सबको पता लग गया, हाउ वी कैन चेंज दैट पर्टिकुलर. सो व्हाट वी कैन डू इफ वी नीड दैट पर्टिकुलर. अब प्लीज मेरी बात ध्यान से सुनना. We can do it in three different ways, whether it is horizontal, whether it is a vertical, and one more option that is to be called as a diagonal. सबसे पहले मैंने क्या किया, प्लीज ध्यान से देखिएगा. I am just talking about a horizontal here. I am just going to press it and start dragging this one, and the size is going to be, the size of text box is going to be increased. Okay, now we just move towards a vertical part. We can just drag and increase the size as required. No issues with that. The size of that particular text box will be increased. Second thing, if we undo that particular, अगर मैं इसको undo कर दूं सारे को जो मैंने अभी किया है, if you want to increase the size in both ways, that is horizontally and vertically, only once, so we can move it towards a diagonal side. We just stretch it from the diagonal. In that case, both height and width is going to be increased. Both height and width is supposed to be increased. मेरे बच्चों को, मेरे को यहाँ तक जिनको मेरी बात समझ आई है, प्लीज यस सर नो बता दीजिए. वेरी गुड. अरे वाह, दक्षिण ने तो मेरे को लगता है कॉपी पेस्ट करके रखा हुआ है इसको पक्का. यस सर, यस सर, यस सर, यस सर. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, ग्रेट. अरे वाह क्या बात है, मजा आ गया. चलो अब थोड़ा सा और इंटरेस्टिंग आगे बढ़ते हैं. थोड़ा सा इंटरेस्टिंग आगे बढ़ते हैं. एक बच्चे ने बोला है, शायद मुझे लग रहा है कि वो कह रहा है कि सर काइंडली रिपीट इट अगेन. बेटा दोज हु आर राइटिंग दैट सर काइंडली रिपीट. बेटा जी अगर आपको इसको हॉरिजॉन्टली स्ट्रेच करना है तो ऐसे कर लें, अंडू कर दिया. आपको वर्टिकली करना है तो यहाँ बॉटम से इसको लेके आइए, टू साइडेड एरो बन जाएगा, इसको ड्रैग करिए, फिर अंडू कर दिया. अगर आपको हाइट और विड्थ दोनों इंक्रीज करनी है, फिर डायगोनली स्ट्रेच कर लीजिए दोनों साइड से, और आपका दोनों साइड से ऑटोमेटिकली हाइट एज वेल एज विड्थ इज सपोज्ड टू बी इंक्रीज. अब होपफुली मुझे लगता है कि समझ आ गया होगा. वेरी गुड, थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक यू एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट थिंग, just switch to a PPT part. Changing the shape of a text box. Now it is very, very, very interesting here. That is it possible that we have to change the shape of that particular? Yes, this thing is possible. Selecting text box, okay. Drawing tools and formatting tab, okay. Click on the edit shape and insert shape group, okay. And then change the shape. Okay, no problem. Sir, but माफ करना, ये सर मुझे समझ नहीं आया. समझ आएगा कहाँ से? आप तो ये कहते हैं हमेशा कि सर इफ यू वांट टू एक्सप्लेन एनीथिंग, एक्सप्लेन विद द हेल्प ऑफ प्रैक्टिकल डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन. तो फिर कहाँ से आएगा थ्योरी से समझ? ओके, जरा ध्यान से देखिए आप. देखिए जरा, व्हाट वी कैन डू, वी कैन सिंपली चेंज द शेप. पहले यार थोड़ा सा अच्छा बना दूं, थोड़ा सा अच्छा बनाओ, मजा आएगा. मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है, मुझे अच्छा लगेगा अगर थोड़ा सा इसको मैं अट्रैक्टिव बनाता हूँ. देखना एक बार. आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू क्लिक एंड सेलेक्ट इट. हियर इट इज अ ड्राइंग टूल. Click on drawing, format option is active. So what we can do, we just click here, select the color here. Okay, it's looking great, I think so. Shape effect and selecting this one. अरे वाह, मजा आ गया। थोड़ा सा सेंटर में ले आता हूँ, सबको विजिबिलिटी होगी, है ना। टेक्स्ट नहीं चेंज करना मैंने, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू चेंज द टेक्स्ट हियर। So what we can do, we just stretch it a little bit, and we can just increase the font size. Can we increase the font size? Yes, 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 we can. Yeah. Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. And after that, I think so it's a little bit more is required here, I think so. So 16 and hit the enter key. वो अब बाहर चला गया, चलो कोई बात नहीं, no problem, no problem with that. We just increase the size, no issues with that. It is in our hand only. No problem, no problem. Okay, now what happened, that is it possible, sir, that we can change the shape? Yes, why not? For the same, what we can do, click on the drawing tool. Here it is a format, and we are just searching for an insert shape group here. This is the insert shape group here, and we having the option, there it is, a added shape. Click on that added shape. It says change shape option, and we can select any of the shape which is being available here, and as desired, as per our requirement, the shape is automatically going to be changed. मेरे बच्चों को अगर अच्छा लगा हो तो yes no में मुझे बता देना। अरे वाह, दक्ष ने लिखा looks beautiful, very good, very good, very good, very good, thank you very much. अगर सबको अच्छा लगा तो yes sir, very good, thank you, thank you. Again one more thing. अच्छा आप ये देखो, यहाँ से तो हमने कर दिया change shape, and we can just convert it into any of the shape which is required. We can convert in any of the shape. Okay, if is it possible, sir, that we can change the shape as required or as desired? We can customize. Yes, you can customize. So in spite of clicking on an option that is a change shape, we can click on the added points. Beta, first of all, I'm just going to mention here, this is not your syllabus. Added points is not in your syllabus, but otherwise I'm just going to discuss this very, very slightly. I'm just going to discuss this. Okay. अब ये added point से क्या हुआ, ये देखो जरा, यहाँ black dots आगे ना। अब जैसे चाहते हो इसको अप डाउन करना। अब मैं तो मस्ती कर रहा हूँ, आप अगर इसको किसी और अच्छे शेप में करना चाहें, किसी भी शेप में जो आपको अच्छी लग रही हो, आप इसको पकड़ के रखिए, और जैसे आप चाहें इसको वैसे आप इसको अप डाउन करें। जो भी शेप आप इसको देना चाहेंगे, दैट शेप इज गोइंग टू बी अप्लाइड as desired by you. This is very, very, very effective tool when you are supposed to make changes in the shapes. मेरे बच्चों को मुझे लगता है ये भी बात मेरी समझ आ गई होगी। yes or no में आंसर करना। sir, this is very exciting. Okay, Yashwinder is saying, okay Yashwinder, thank you. Overpowered, अरे वाह क्या बात है। not overpowered, this is not overpowered, this is the things that we are supposed to elaborate, and computer required, that we are doing things which is required for better learning. Okay, now what we can do here, now this is done, that how we can change the shape of a text box. So now we just begin with the next point, which is to be called as a word art here. Can anybody tell me the page number which is there on your book? And by this way, I comes to know that how many students having books with them. Kindly mention the page number. अरे वाह क्या बात है यार, बच्चों ने 25 लिखना शुरू कर दिया। अरे वाह, इसका मतलब है बहुत सारे लोगों के पास बुक्स हैं। Very good, thank you, thank you, thank you. And those don't having books with them, no issues with that, but you need that particular book. Okay, so what we can begin with, my dear respected students, we are just begin with the word art. We just begin with the word art. It says, I'm just going to elaborate this thing, that what is the purpose and why we are using the word art. So first of all, it says a predefined, pre मतलब पहले से defined किया गया, जो पहले से बताया गया है, decorative text effects. It makes sense that word art is a pre मतलब system के द्वारा defined किया गया है, किस purpose के लिए, to make text decorative. This is the meaning of that word art. Okay, now what we can do, next one, used to make document more presentable. Presentable means it looks more attractive, effective is the document will be if we are using a word art. Okay, very important thing which you are supposed to remember. And even I think so that on page number 26 the same will be available on your book. On the top of your book it says important thing to remember is that we have to press alt plus n and then press w. For which purpose I am just going to elaborate shortly. But if you're not going to use a shortcut keys, in that case, we use a menu option and it says that we can click on the insert tab, word art option, and then text group. Okay, but again, you are saying, sir, no, this is not the way to teach a computer subject. Because why so? Sir, because computer is a practical subject and it requires practical thing. It's required a practical thing. Very good. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Pranay Gaba Sahab. Yes, I agree that this one is a practical subject. Okay. So what it makes sense here, kindly concentrate. I'm just going to elaborate with the help of practical demonstration, moving toward our practical ground or practical lab. And what we are going to do here, we are just going to click on the, anybody going to help me out? Yes, insert. And after that, we are just searching for the option that is a text group. And in spite of clicking on the text box, this time we having the option that is to be called as a word art. But I just want to add one thing here. In your book, they are just printing or giving the glimpses of office that is, I think so, 2007 or 10. But no issues with that. We can do it practically. So there is no issue with that. We can simply click here on a word art and these bit options will be available. So what we can do, we just select any of the available option, no issues with that. We can just click here like this. Okay. So I'm just going to type something here. Can I type my name if you don't mind? Kanwaljit and Singh. I'm just typing my name here, that is Kanwaljit Singh. So this is the way that how we can insert a word art. Now I'm just going to delete this one. Second option. This is, in spite of clicking on different options, what you can do, you can simply press alt plus n. I'm just pressing alt plus n right now, and you just watch here. The one alphabet is being appeared with each and every option. If I just want to open a word art, so what we are supposed to press? We are supposed to press a W. And whenever we are just going to press W here, automatically this particular option is being available. I'm just going to click here, type whatever we want to type like this, Kanwaljit Singh, and we are just going to drag it towards the center location. And if you want to increase the size, so no issues again with that, you can increase as desired. Okay. मेरे बच्चों को जिनको यहाँ तक मेरी बात समझ आ गई, फटाफट एक बार yes or no में आंसर कर दीजिए. या in case any suggestion is required, then you can type the suggestions as well. No problem with that. Very good. अरे वाह, अरे वाह, अरे वाह, अरे वाह, अरे वाह, क्या बात है यार. ये तो बड़े अच्छे लोग हैं. ये तो मुझे वैसे ही लगता था, पर ये मैं सच बताऊं आपको, ये क्लास जो है ना मेरी, ये 6th क्लास जो है, ये तो मेरी फेवरेट क्लास है. अरे वाह सर, ये तो बड़ी मजेदार चीज बोली आपने कि ये फेवरेट क्लास है. बट सॉरी, मैं ना ये बात मैं सभी क्लासेस में बोला करता हूँ, आपसे झूठ नहीं बोलूंगा कि ये फेवरेट क्लास है मेरी. तो वो तो फेवरेट सभी क्लासेस मेरी फेवरेट है. चलिए, मैंने ना चैट बॉक्स में डाल दिया आपका अटेंडेंस. नो, नॉट इन अ चैट बॉक्स, इन अ व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप. आई हैव पेस्टेड द अटेंडेंस लिंक. साइड बाय साइड you can fill the attendance as well, because after some time I am just going to delete that particular. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. So we begin with the next topic. Okay, practically now we have done with that. Okay, now how we can do that? Apply shadow effects. Beta, it's my humble request, kindly you having pencils in your hands. It's my humble request. I need, and this is the requirement, that you all having pencils in your hand, because some slight changes will be there in your book. So you can side by side, you can simply write it down by underline the word and write the correct tool on the top of that particular. No need to cut that particular. ठीक है, उसको जो लिखा हुआ है उसको काटने की जरूरत नहीं है. अंडरलाइन करके आंसर जो करेक्ट टूल है उसको लिखने की कृपालता कीजिए. ओके, नाउ व्हाट हैपन? अप्लाइंग शैडो इफेक्ट्स. हाउ वी कैन अप्लाई? सर ये फिर वही कर दिया ना, आप माने नहीं ना हमारी बात. नहीं, मैं मान गया तुम्हारी बात सर, ये समझ ही नहीं आया आपने क्या किया है। चलो यार मैं बता देता हूँ फिर क्या हुआ। ओके, नाउ काइंडली कंसंट्रेट इफ यू वांट टू अप्लाई अ शैडो। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सेलेक्ट दिस वन। अब बुक्स पे देखते जाना। पॉइंट नंबर 1, सेलेक्ट द वर्ड आर्ट। सर कर लिया, सर हो गया। अब बुक में लिखा है क्लिक ऑन द फॉर्मेट टैब। सर बिल्कुल सही है, बिल्कुल सही है, पर वहां पे लिखा है फॉर्मेट टैब अंडर द वर्ड आर्ट टूल, बट यहाँ पे क्या लिखा हुआ है, ड्राइंग टूल्स। ये देखिए जहां मेरा पॉइंटर है, इट सेज ड्राइंग टूल्स। So you can simply underline word art tools, and on the top of that you can mention with a pencil drawing tools. Only this much is required. No cut, no, otherwise nothing is required here. So what we can do, drawing tools. Okay, we can mention drawing tools here. After that, this says in third point, it says shadow effect group. So here it is. Kindly mention the name of the group here. That is a word art styles. Here it is. Word art styles. You can simply mention word art styles here. And what we can do here, after that, this is the option that is a text option. जो आपके वहां पे थर्ड पॉइंट में लिखा है ना शैडो इफेक्ट्स, उसकी जगह हमने इफेक्ट्स को लिखा रहने दीजिए, सिर्फ शैडो की जगह लिख लीजिए टेक्स्ट। मैंने आप देखो, ये देखो मैंने टेक्स्ट पे क्लिक किया। प्लीज कंसंट्रेट ऑन स्क्रीन एज वेल। स्क्रीन पे देखने की कृपालता करें। आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू क्लिक ऑन अ शैडो हियर, and what I am just going to do here, I am just going to scroll it towards a downside here. Kindly concentrate, and what we can do, we just drag it towards the down. अच्छा मैं थोड़ा सा अच्छा सा, मैंने ये देखिए, मैंने इस पे क्लिक किया। अब ये देखिए आपको शैडो नीचे नजर आ रही है। जितने लोगों को आ रही है वो यस नो में आंसर करें इन अ चैट बॉक्स, इन अ चैट बॉक्स। वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। सबकी रिक्वायरमेंट है ना यार, एक के कहने से। अरे वाह 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 वाह, क्या बात है, क्या बात है, क्या बात है, क्या बात है। वेरी गुड, ग्रेट, थैंक यू, थैंक यू, गॉड ब्लेस यू। अच्छा अब ये नीचे नजर आ गया। कहता सर अब हमें ये बात समझ आ गई। कहता अब अगली बात बताइए सर, प्लीज जस्ट डिस्कस द नेक्स्ट थिंग विद अस विद द हेल्प ऑफ पीपीटी। नेक्स्ट स्टेज, चलो अब शैडो इफेक्ट आ गया, मान लिया। Now next thing it says applying a color to a shadow effect. How we can apply a color to a shadow effect? So for the same, सर फिर वही कर दिया, फिर वही कर दिया, स्क्रीन पे दिखा दिया। सर अब समझ नहीं आएगा। अच्छा अभी आ जाता है यार, क्या घबराने की जरूरत है। अब देखिए जरा प्लीज, select this. Okay, and now you all know that we have to click on a format, and in spite of again here on point number 1, in spite of word art tools, it says that this is a drawing tools, this is a drawing tools, this is a drawing tool. So what we can do, we just click on the drawing tools. Okay, it's fine, and we have write that particular drawing tool, and after that again this is a word art style group, and the name of the option will be text effects. We can simply click shadow here, move towards the bottom of that screen, and the option will be shadow option. We can simply click here on a shadow option, my dear respected students. And now here it is. In a shadow, we having an option that is a color. By default, I think so this is a black color. Can I make it red? So this is visible. Okay, this is visible here. Can I make it a blue here, little bit blue? Yes, sir, this is visible here. This one is visible here. अच्छा अब ये देखो, ये बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है, ट्रांसपेरेंसी। ये देखिए जितना ट्रांसपेरेंसी में बढ़ाता जाता हूँ, आपको देखिए वहां डिसअपियर हो गया 100% पे। द शेडो इज डिसअपियरिंग फ्रॉम हियर। अब मैंने ये देखिए थोड़ा सा किया, 78 कुछ कुछ नजर आया, 47 किया ज्यादा नजर आया, 20 किया और ज्यादा नजर आया। अब ये 0 पे कर दिया, बहुत डार्क जो है वो नजर आ रहा है। तो हम अप्रोक्सीमेटली इसको जो है वो बाय डिफॉल्ट पे ही रखेंगे, कोई जरूरत नहीं है इसको ज्यादा करने की या कम करने की। बट I want to mention this point, so I mentioned here. So this thing is clear as well. Kindly type yes or no. Kindly type yes or no, whether this one is clear or not. यहाँ पे सिर्फ yes or no टाइप करने से बात नहीं बनेगी, बट वैसे मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ, it's very important that you are supposed to do this thing practically and just send it to your teacher that sir, I have done with this work and this is absolutely perfect and I have stored that particular thing for a lifelong. Lifelong means जिंदगी भर के लिए सर मुझे ये चीज आ गई, अब मैं बाकियों को भी बताऊंगा और सिखाऊंगा, इस तरीके से। वेरी गुड, thank you very much, God bless you. Okay, now again can we move towards a PPT part here? And now the PPT is saying apply a 3D rotation. 3D. अच्छा, यहाँ पे कोई D का मतलब मुझे बताए पहले। मैं चैट बॉक्स ओपन कर रहा हूँ, एक बार देखता हूँ चेक करके। D का मतलब किसी को पता है? ये आजकल तो वैसे सारे D हैं, 3D हैं, बट फिर भी मुझे बता दीजिए 3D का मतलब। मैं नहीं तो मैं बताऊंगा, नो इश्यूज विद। अरे वाह, ये लोग, मैं वही तो कह रहा हूँ ना कि ये आजकल की जो जनरेशन है भाई, ये तो बहुत एडवांस्ड है। अब देखो, स्पेलिंग चाहे गलत हो कुछ लोगों के, बट लिखना ठीक है। आपको जो मन में आपको पता है वो बिल्कुल ठीक है। 3 डायमेंशनल, 3D, दैट इज अ 3 डायमेंशनल। Very good, great. And now what we are going to do, I'm just going to mention here first of all the steps here, and then we are just going to practically do it, do this thing. Okay, select the 3D. Okay, now what we can do, we have just reached till page number 27. Kindly concentrate, dear respected students. Again, we have just moved towards a practical demonstration, and what we can do here, kindly consider. I am just deleting this one, and can I just insert some other? I need that. So what we can do, we just mention, and मैंने अपना ही नाम डालना है। आप जितना मर्जी assume करी जाओ, हमारा डालो, हमारा क्यों डाल तुम्हारा? Sorry, आप मेरे डाल लेना please. अच्छा, चलो ठीक है. Okay. Now what we have, what we are going to do here, my dear respected students, what we can do here, we just select that particular as desired, as previously we are doing. Now again, we can click on the format tab, which is there on your book, perfectly mentioned on page number 27, point number 1. Again, in spite of word art tool, we have to mention drawing tools. Okay, great. And in spite of mentioning group here, that is 3D effect group, we have to mention word art style group. We can simply click here on a text effect here, and the option will be 3D. 3D. So what we can do, we can select any of the option. Very good, great, it looks nice. 3D here, or we can just mention it like this. Okay, this is again a 3D, 3 dimensional here. Again, we can simply mention it like this. So these are the way outs that how we can display things in a display in a different ways. अब मेरे बच्चों को मुझे लग रहा है कि ये डांसिंग करता हुआ नजर आ रहा है ये टेक्स्ट आपको. Why so? Because I am just moving pointed on the multiple options, on a different options. So in that way, we can just select different options, and we are supposed to apply the different kind of 3D effects on our word art. मेरे बच्चों को, जितने बच्चों को मेरी बात समझ आई है, वो प्लीज यस और नो कर दें. प्लीज यस और नो कर दो. Very good. Yes or no? Yes or no? No as well. You can also mention no if concept is not clear. You can mention no. I'm just going to repeat that. No issues with that. No issues with that. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Great. A very important thing is that that the students are very attentive, and they are very concentrating as well. And hopefully, my words are effective, and you are all are supposed to do it practically as well. So this thing is very, very, very important here. Okay, again we can just move towards a PPT part which says a moving word. Moving means moving. It's very, very easy here, that how we can move that particular from a one location to the another, one location to the another. In that case, again, what we can do here, for example, this is a word art here, and if you want to move it like this, we can simply select, and cross arrow will be there, and we can just move it like this as well. We can simply move it like this as well. But one option is also there. One option is also there. Click on the word art, format. Again, there is a drawing tool. Again, but in spite of this time, the word art text, the word art style here, we are just going to talk about arrange. मेरे बच्चों को मेरी बात यहाँ पे समझ आ रही होगी. That is the arrange. So we can simply click here on a position here, and now kindly concentrate. Whenever we are just going to move the pointer to a different location, automatically the position of that particular word art is going to be changed from one location to the another, like this way it's happening. And what they are doing, that they are moving from one location to another. For example, I have just clicked on the option which is there on the bottom, so automatically the text will be appearing on the bottom edge And if you want to make it on the top of the page, so simply click on that option, or you can simply move with the help of the pointer. मेरे बच्चों को ये बात मेरी समझ आ गई होगी. जितनों को आई है यस वो यस कर देना, जितनों को नो आई है वो नो कर देना. एंड रिपीट. गीतिका अग्रवाल जी, sir, please repeat again. Okay, no problem with that. Gitika, I'm just going to repeat it one more time. And for the same, what we can do here, what we can do here, I'm just going to select this one. Gitika ji, kindly concentrate. After that, this is a format tab. This is a drawing tool. This is a group which is to be considered as arrange here. And we can just click on the position and we can simply change the position. This is the one way. This is the one way of doing that particular thing here. But the easiest one is you can simply click here, select that particular shape, and you are supposed to move it towards any kind of any location which is desired or required. मेरे बच्चों को मेरी बात मुझे लगता है समझ आ गई है. मेरे बच्चों को मेरी बात समझ आ गई है. Very good, great. Next thing. PPT again, we are just going to move towards the PPT part here. Okay, the PPT is over, no problem with that. Can we do something more practical we are doing? Yes, kindly concentrate. One thing we are just going to complete here. So this is saying that editing on that particular page, it says page number 27. This is the last topic for sure. That how we can edit the word art. We can edit the word art. For example, in spite of Kawaljeet saying you want to mention something other than this. So what we can do, we just double click here. And for example, I just want to mention Amana Deep and Singh here. We just mention Amandeep Singh here. So this is the way out that we can anytime we can just edit that particular option, and you can simply just click on that particular and type the text which is desired. मेरे बच्चों को मुझे लगता है यहाँ तक मेरी बातें सारी की सारी मेरी बात जो है वो मेरे बच्चों को, मेरे प्यारे बच्चों को समझ आ गई. अच्छा, अब एक चीज देखना, वैसे तो लास्ट मिनट है. पेज नंबर 39 इन द लैब एक्टिविटी. अब जरा ध्यान से देखना प्लीज. अब मैं इसको हटा रहा हूँ. यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है सेव वाटर, ए एक्टिविटी, दैट हाउ यू कैन create this particular activity, that is a save activity, save water activity. I'm just going to click insert. Simply I'm just going to click on the text box, click insert the text box, and simply type save water. Save water. We can simply type save water in such a way, or the another way will be that we can click on the insert here and we can click on the word art here, and we can simply give insert that particular and type here save water